Hey guys, today we will talk about how to contact Hostinger customer support. The first thing is log in your account, and once you do, you will see the same interface like me. Here you can see the question mark just next to your profile. It's called Help. Click on it. Now, here you can see, hey, how can we help you? You have to describe your issue, or, if you scroll down, you will see the articles which are already written by Hostinger. Here you can find your own article, and once you find your own article, click on that. Just like I will tap on the option website issue. Once I will click on it. Here I need to select the website on which I am facing that issue. After selecting, you will see some more articles which are already written by Hostinger. From here, select anyone. If you have not found your own, then select any of these, ones you do. Below you will see the option of Chat Now. Click on it to chat with your hosting customer support. And this little window will pop up and click on the option to send a message. And here you can see how can I assist you. So start texting and chatting with the Hostinger customer support and describe your issue, and they will resolve your issue immediately.